Hi, it's Johnny. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ngayon guys, meron akong gustong i-share sa inyo about dito sa ating Google AdSense. Kung halimbawa mayroon kayong nakitang warning notification dito sa inyong AdSense na gaya nito. Action required, there's something to check in your AdSense payment account. So ito guys, nagkaroon ng warning notification kapag mayroon tayong kailangan i-update dito sa ating AdSense account. So importante ayusin natin to kasi magkukos ito ng delay ng ating sahod kapag hindi natin siya inayos kagad. So ituturo ko sa inyo guys kung paano natin siya ayusin. And so pagka-check natin dito sa ating Google AdSense, pagka-click natin yung Go to Payment, so lumalabas ito yung provide some information about yourself to continue. So click lang natin guys yung Verify Now. And guys, so pinapa-verify yung identity natin. So click natin tong Agree. And guys, continue on this device. And guys, provide an ID. Google will verify the information on the ID you're providing. So i-select natin guys kung ano yung mayroon tayong ID, driver's license, passport, national ID card, or residence permit. So halimbawa i-select natin guys yung passport. Then next. Then click natin tong browse files para i-upload natin yung ating valid ID. So make sure lang guys na malinaw yung pagkakakuha ng ating picture na i-upload dito para ma-approve yung ating identity. And guys, review and confirm your information. Then click natin yung next. And submitting your information. And nice work, we'll take it from here. So click natin yung done. Your identity verification is in progress. Please allow a few days for verification. Antayin natin guys na ma-verify ng AdSense itong sinubmit natin na picture or yung ating passport dito sa pag-verify ng ating account. And guys, after natin makapag-submit ng valid ID dito sa AdSense, so kinabukasan guys, nakatanggap tayo ng email from AdSense. So sabi dito, identity verification successful. Your identity has been verified. Please log in to your Google AdSense account and set up primary payment method if you have not done so already. And guys, okay na siya. Successful na yung pag-verify natin ng ating account dito sa AdSense. Sana guys nakatulong yung ating tutorial at sana nasundan ninyo. Kung may mga katanungan kayo guys, pwede i-comment sa ating comment section below para masagot natin. Maraming salamat guys. See you next time. Bye. God bless.